Clear the debt, understanding its meaning easily. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to talk about a very common phrase that you might have heard in finance-related conversations: clear debt. Understanding this phrase is not only useful for your English comprehension but also for your financial literacy. So, let's break it down together. When we say clear debt, we're talking about paying off or settling all that you owe. This can refer to any kind of debt, from personal loans to credit card bills. To clear a debt means to completely eliminate it, so you no longer owe any money to the lender or creditor. It's like wiping the slate clean. Let's see how this phrase is used in real-life conversations. I've been working extra hours to clear my student debt before the end of the year. Once they cleared their mortgage debt, they started saving for a vacation. Many companies aim to clear their debts to improve their credit rating. In each example, clear debt indicates a finality or completion of payment, which is a positive step towards financial freedom. Clearing debt is important for several reasons. For individuals, it means less stress and no accumulating interest to worry about. For businesses, it can mean better prospects for investment and growth. Plus, being debt-free is often seen as a sign of good financial health and responsibility. How does one go about clearing debt? Here are the steps you might follow. 1. Assessing your debt. Know exactly how much you owe. 2. Planning your payments. Work out how much you can pay and when. 3. Budgeting. Adjust your spending to ensure you can make those payments. 4. Negotiating with creditors. Sometimes you can agree on a smaller amount to pay off. 5. Consolidating debts. Taking one loan to pay off all others can sometimes make it easier to clear debt. 6. Sticking to the plan. Consistency is key to clearing debt successfully. Here are a few tips that can help you clear your debt faster. Pay more than the minimum. If you can afford to, always pay more than the minimum payment required. Cut unnecessary expenses. This will free up more money to put towards your debt. Earn extra income. Consider a side job or selling items you don't need. Use windfalls wisely. Put any unexpected money, like tax refunds, towards your debt. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped clarify what it means to clear debt, and why it's such an important concept in both language and personal finance. If you have any questions or experiences with clearing debt that you'd like to share, please comment below. Remember, clearing debt is a journey that can lead to financial stability and peace of mind. Stay motivated, and see you in our next video.